Last year Christmas was in Bangalore. Although a scheduled eye checkup for my baby girl, we enjoyed our vacations here. And there was this One Nation Billion Celebrations campaign organized by MIAL. So they were clicking family portraits and putting it up on the LED screens across this giant Christmas tree. And I was so sleepy, as you can see. And there's my cute tote bag resting where it should be in a flight. And we were airborne, and as usual, me and my baby girl keep entertaining each other to stay away from motion sickness every time we travel. Love going on trips, but I hate this part where I have to constantly battle nausea and dizziness. So let's forget that and enjoy this beautiful view now.
It's time to assemble. We are in Bangalore and the weather is so amazing right now. It's like just drizzling, the right amount of rain with like the beautiful aroma of rain. This is the weather that I love.
What's the name of this dish?
The Radisson Club sandwich, right? Radisson Club sandwich. Thank God now there's a bathtub.
freshen up a bit. Everywhere there's sale, a lot of sale is going on. What is this? Strawberry iced tea. Or should I take this one?
Yeah, watermelon.
And go here. Check out. What do we do? Dispense.
Oh, shit.
It came inside.
It's gotta be in there. That was...
Then?
Push. No, push this.
Oh.
And there's straws. Take a straw.
Take.
Wait, take it out. Take
You
it
took
out.
only one.
Yeah.
We got a popping boba drink. Boba safe. Premium
good.
iced tea. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is definitely something we can't find in India.
This is the tiramisu, na? Okay. And this one?
Five spice.
क्या था इसका नाम?
Pudding.
Something pudding. Yeah.
Five spice.
After a lovely filling breakfast, we went to the poolside to fool around a bit because it was so cold we couldn't even think of going into the pool. The lobby was so beautifully decorated. We just wanted to spend some time over there as this was our last day in Bangalore and we wanted to click some pictures. And my cheeky monkey was acting all goofy, so we clicked some pictures and some videos. And let me show you the whole lobby out here. That was the bar section and the lounge section, and that's Santa. I was posing with Santa and the Christmas tree and all of it. This is the top view of the lobby. Back in the room, and while all of us were getting ready one by one, taking shower, I was chilling watching this movie Ready or Not on the TV. This movie is a really good one. You should watch it if you haven't already. Then it was my turn to shower and get ready. And that was my fit for that day. Now you can see I carried this one stole, one scarf and one trench coat, and I did not expect it to be so cold, so I just paired it up with couple of full sleeve tops. I was actually repeating outfits. I had packed light for this 4-day trip. Here I'm wearing a grey full sleeve knitted top underneath from H&M, and these pants are from Uniqlo. And we headed out and we were once again going to the Orion Mall for our lunch. We had planned on having our lunch at Nando's. This would be our first time, so we wanted to try it out. And that's my Swiss Eagle watch and sling bag from Guess. Now this mall is really beautiful. It has this huge open space out front, like a courtyard you can say. It has a water body over here, and these are all Christmas decorations which were lit the previous night. Christmas gifts floating all over, and as you can see it's quite lively and it's a beautiful space out here. And then we headed to Nando's. We checked the menu while we were waiting in queue for a table. We got the Nando's special chicken, like regular chicken, and their rice with potato wedges on the side. And I didn't want to have rice, so I ordered pita bread with hummus and a veggie salad and a dip of olives and these chicken skewers with roasted pineapple on them, and it was all very delicious. Now Nando's has this special peri peri spicy sauces kept, and I wanted to try it out. Did you think being in a mall we won't go shopping? We spotted a Numi store and I spotted a beautiful dress out there and I had to try it on, so we did some shopping. I bought this dress. I tried on a couple of other things as well, but this is the only one that I liked. Then we headed to the bookstore and we spent quite some time there reading books and checking out other books. And then we headed to the food court, and I remember having dinner from Subway, but I don't have clips for that. So over to the next day. Then we reached the airport to catch our flight back to Mumbai. And I specially shot this clip to show you guys my fit, although nothing much new. From this trip though, I just paired the same trench coat and the scarf and the straight Uniqlo pant with a white turtleneck, cream colored full sleeve top from H&M. We used Digi so all of our processes were pretty fast, and then we had a lot of time to just chill and take more videos for you guys. And I must say that I was pretty impressed by the interiors of Bengaluru International Airport. It was so beautifully designed. It all looked really pretty. And then we were just enjoying the beautiful